Hi loves, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara, but you can call me Tam. If you are new here, you should definitely consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, thanks for coming back. So y'all, I'm just going to show you guys this quick little hairstyle that I did a couple days ago. I love how it turned out. If you like it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Alright, I'm just going to let the music play. Thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. I'll see you in my next one. Look, I hope you guys can see it. Like, the lighting is not the best, but in person this is so cute. Just something quick in the summer heat to still be cute but not have your hair all over your neck. and out in the way. So y'all, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this hairstyle. All right, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next one.